Okay. Well, Waziri, thank you for that. Of course, we are bringing you the figures as we know them from our research. CS Kuria has his figures from Roiro and others. Let's go to Eldoret to listen to John Wanyama to give us the real figures live from Eldoret in a supermarket. Wanyama.
Thank you very much. We are at Naivas supermarket, Sam, and clearly, as we have seen here, the prices of different types of cooking oil here, like this one, Ufuta, they are selling at Naivas at 347. If you come here, this is Salit oil, cooking oil. This is going at 325 shillings, and here Golden Fry, it's going at 355 shillings. Just to sample out quickly, we have here Top Fry, which is going at 307. Clearly an indicator that really the cooking oil has gone up in their prices since maybe in the few years or few months ago. Those whom we have talked to, they are saying it has gone up to maybe 3 times of what they used to buy. That is what we have found here at Naivas supermarket. Sam.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, John Wanyama. I see Waziri Nakhumicha, you're perturbed by the figures.
You have it on your board.
That is 450, September 2022.
It was 450.
Yes.
Right now, the figures that he's reading, the list that he has talked about is 307.
And that's 5 liters.
Now, Waziri, he has given a range. There are different brands. Some are 347, others are 325.
Yes.
We've given there an estimate
per liter or per
of
5 liters?
per liter, 1 liter.
Yes.
September 2022, a liter of 340 shillings. Totally.
We will be patient with you. Just go now to Roiro.
That's not
Go to Roiro. Yes. Send a crew there. We are here for 2 hours. What's the hurry for? So you're here for 2 hours. So when the Roiro.
Okay.
Why should we go to Ruiru? There is a
Sam, I want to address an issue on the fact